is my canvas. Watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me create. Kweeni Indi Life. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I just thought I'd do a quick one to show my new eyebrow routine. Here I'm getting started by taking off some extra hairs. So when I'm arching my eyebrows here, I'm more so getting them prepared to fill in. Right now, I'm not necessarily trying to get a great shape of my natural hairs, but more so get that arch that I know I'm gonna draw in, if that makes sense, so that I can get a better look and a more clean look when I go to draw the eyebrows in. So actually, without them drawn in, they end up looking kind of weird, but I don't really have much hair on my eyebrows anyway, so they already always look weird. So yeah, I'm gonna proceed with drawing the rest of the eyebrows on after this, and I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you guys like the end result. Okay, bye. Look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside. Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside? Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside? Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside? Quick interruption. If you're enjoying this video, then surely you'll enjoy my other content. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel. While you're at it, hit the notification bell. I really think you won't regret it. Really? Okay, please.
I have never been so terrified of someone so unqualified, undignified, disqualified. You are disqualified. You have not earned my love or trust. The story was always about you. Everything has always been about you. As did you miss me? You're busy with everyone else. A guru with no followers. A lover with no lover. A brother with no brother. As did you miss me? You're busy talking to yourself. A guru with no followers. A lover with no lover. A brother with no brother. You are disqualified from my life. You have not learned my love or trust, although you think you must. You are disqualified from my life. We are not the same person. Don't drink the same poison. Tragic, upsetting. I've been waiting for the day that you come see me again. You want to rip into me like I rip into these pages. Put me under your spell, lurking behind doors. You're traumatizing me. Who could you mistake me for? Since you think we're the same person, the same poison. You are disqualified from my life. You have not learned my love or trust, although you think you must. You are disqualified from my life. We So now you go questioning your humanity. That's why you're so used to being a victim. But you're not my problem. You are disqualified from my life. You have not earned my love or trust, although you think you must. You are disqualified from my life.
Alright guys, that's how I get my eyebrows. I hope this video was useful to you and I hope you liked them. Hang tight to see how I completed this eye look with these contacts. Check out that tutorial as well. I'll put a link in the description. Other than that, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.
Around the scene with a stick all black. Try with a stroke, we with all that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Made $1 million and I can't go back. Got a lot of jewelry on me, man, you can't hold that. 12 ask him better, tell him that I ain't so crack. Know your money long when your people can't afford that. I'm ballin', yeah. My mama told me that do my calling. I keep that stick, I don't do no brawling. Open out the doors and let them out.